So finally friends, let's do the unboxing of the Realme P4 Power. So which I've been waiting for the past few days. So finally is a device which I did order from the Flipkart website. So let's do the quick unboxing and let's see what are the contents we do get in the box. And I did do the exchange of my previous 4-year-old mobile phone Realme GT2. So after exchanging around that price, I got about close to like 15,000 rupees. I got the Realme P4 Power after the exchange offer and everything, like close to like 14 to 15,000 rupees. And let's see what are the contents it did get in the box. And this is a case which is provided in the box. Let me to show you the exact case. So this is a transparent case which is pretty normal type. And here's the phone itself, the Realme P4 Power. So 10,000 mAh battery capacity, Realme P4 Power. So which is pretty good, not bad. It's not that much heavy as I thought about. Let's keep the phone aside. Let's take a look at the what are the things it did contain in the box, which is of 80 watts charger, as you can see. And we do have the USB to normal Type-C cable in the box. And it's also SIM card pin, which is available in the box as well. So these are the contents which did get in the box. And let me quickly turn on the device. Let's find out how much charge the phone has got. So this is my first time booting up the Realme P4 Power. Let me keep everything aside. So this is a Realme P4 Power and let's try to boot up first and let's see. So let me know in the comment section below friends, what are the different videos you want me to upload. Definitely I'll try to focus on the battery related videos. And recently I did upload the video on the gaming test while doing the lot of like 4 phones I have used in the gaming test continuously. So make sure to check that video for more information. And finally the phone is booting up for the first time, which is a Realme P4 Power with a 10,000 mAh of battery capacity. And this is my first time booting up the Realme P4 Power. And I do have the Realme P4 Pro also. I'll try to do the side-by-side comparison between the both phones in terms of like which phone is really the best option to buy. So stay tuned for those videos guys between the both phones, Realme P4 Pro versus Realme P4 Power. So it is the first time the phone did boot up. And let's set up the Realme P4 Power for the first time. So here's a quick look at the setup process involved in the Realme P4 Power. Let me click next. Select the region as India. And right now the battery percentage came with the 55% with the 10,000 mAh of battery capacity. So let's try to skip this process, skip it. So skip everything. So we got some kind of updates related stuff. Let me to skip everything. I don't want turn off. So mostly I'll try to turn off all these options which I don't even needed at all in this. So let's try to turn off all this unwanted stuff. Yeah. So if I want later, I can definitely turn it on. So you can use the gestures or the buttons. So first, every time I try to select the buttons only, the main reason is because to get that feel of haptic feedback. So right now Realme UI is all set in the Realme P4 Power. Let's click. And this is how it actually looks with the first time booting up the Realme P4 Power. Let me slightly decrease the brightness and disable the auto brightness as well. As you can see guys, so this is the first time booting up the Realme P4 Power. And let's go to the battery and show you exactly what is the battery percentage. It's about 54% is the battery level right now. And let's go to the about device. And this is a 128 GB model, as you can see. And 23 GB is available. And 10 GB RAM expansion is enabled by default out of the box. 10 GB is enabled. And let's go to the display and show you the refresh rate, what it is set at this moment. It's set to screen resolution is standard, refresh rate set to auto. Let's change to 144 Hz, which is present, as you can see, to experience that kind of smooth refresh rate. 144 Hz it's set. So this is a complete overall look for the Realme P4 Power, what you can actually expect. And these are the pre-installed bloatware which came along with the phone. So this is a Realme P4 Power. Let's check what is the pre-installed bloatware with the Realme P4 Power device. So let's find out what are the applications came by default in this phone. So we can see the Facebook and we got the Finish Shell Pay, and Instagram is there, and we got a couple of applications like Netflix is installed at this moment, and Spotify is also there. So these are the pre-installed. PhonePe is there, Gemini is there. So this is a snapshot. These are the pre-installed applications which came along with the Realme P4 Power device. So this is a Realme P4 Power. As you can see, guys, these are pre-installed applications, and this is my quick review. And so no games. So there is no games involved in this at this moment. Only applications are installed at this point. And regarding the inbuilt storage, out of 128 GB, so 23 GB is used already. As you can see, 23 GB is used, and 10 GB of RAM expansion is enabled at this moment, as you can see. So right now, let's find out what will be the internal storage in the Realme P4 Power if you don't use any kind of RAM expansion. So let's disable the RAM expansion and restart now. Because by default, this phone comes with the RAM expansion of 10 GB. So I want to disable that. And now let's check what will be the overall internal storage availability in this Realme P4 Power. So definitely it feels not that too heavy in terms of the overall phone. Definitely. So let's check the weight of the Realme P4 Power. What will be the weight? 224 grams with a 10,000 mAh of battery capacity. 224 grams is the weight of the Realme P4 Power. So there is no tamper glass at this moment. And phone did come with a pre-installed screen protector as well. That's also a good thing. And this is a POCO F7 device. This is my biggest battery before this phone comes. 7,550 mAh of battery capacity and 10,001 mAh of battery capacity. You can see the difference, 2 grams only more higher. Not bad in terms of the overall weight factor. And now let's try to see what will be the internal storage at this moment in the Realme P4 Power. So right now, as you can see, I have disabled completely the RAM expansion also, but still the internal storage is completely occupied with the system data and other data. And the apps are occupying about close to 4 GB of app space has been already occupied. You can see the which applications took a lot of space. So Snapchat, PhonePe, Spotify. These are the internal storage details about the what you can actually expect. And is the RAM availability, how much it is used and how much it is available out of the box without installing anything. 3.88 GB is available at this moment in the Realme P4 Power. This is a quick information about the internal storage availability and internal RAM availability after unboxing the Realme P4 Power. And this is the information about the processor as well. So all guys, this is a quick initial impressions of the Realme P4 Power with the complete setup process and what are the pre-installed applications and everything. Now I'll try to review later on with the benchmarking testing and display comparisons. A lot of videos going to come in the next upcoming days. So stay tuned for those videos guys on the Realme P4 Power. Meanwhile, signing off. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.